Describe 3 ways to maintain a positive attitude in the workplace. Maintaining a positive attitude in the workplace is essential for personal well-being and fostering a productive environment. Here are 3 effective ways to achieve this. 1. Cultivate a growth mindset. Explanation: embrace challenges as opportunities for growth rather than obstacles. Focus on learning from setbacks and improving skills. Practice: set goals that stretch your abilities, seek feedback constructively, and celebrate progress, no matter how small. Example: instead of feeling discouraged by a project setback, view it as a chance to refine your approach and develop resilience. 2. Practice gratitude and positivity. Explanation: regularly acknowledge and appreciate the positive aspects of your work and interactions. Practice: keep a gratitude journal or reflect daily on things you're thankful for at work. Express appreciation to colleagues for their efforts and achievements. Example: start team meetings with a brief acknowledgement of recent successes or efforts, fostering a supportive and uplifting atmosphere. 3. Maintain healthy work-life balance. Explanation: balance work demands with personal activities and self-care to prevent burnout and maintain perspective. Practice: establish boundaries between work and personal time. Engage in activities that recharge you outside of work, such as hobbies, exercise, or spending time with loved ones. Example: prioritize self-care by taking regular breaks during the workday, unplugging from work emails after hours, and ensuring adequate sleep and nutrition. By integrating these practices into your daily routine, you can cultivate and sustain a positive attitude in the workplace, contributing to a more enjoyable and productive professional environment for yourself and your colleagues. What are some effective strategies for managing stress in a high-pressure work environment? Managing stress in a high-pressure work environment is crucial for maintaining well-being and productivity. Here are several effective strategies to help cope with stress. Prioritize and organize. Explanation: break down tasks into manageable steps and prioritize them based on deadlines and importance. Practice: use tools like to-do lists, calendars, or project management software to organize tasks. Focus on completing one task at a time rather than feeling overwhelmed by the entire workload. Practice time management. Explanation: allocate specific time blocks for different tasks and avoid overcommitting yourself. Practice: set realistic deadlines and communicate boundaries effectively with colleagues and supervisors. Schedule regular breaks to recharge and prevent burnout. Utilize stress reduction techniques. Explanation: incorporate relaxation techniques into your daily routine to manage stress levels effectively. Practice deep breathing exercises, mindfulness meditation, or progressive muscle relaxation. Engage in physical activity like walking or yoga to reduce tension and promote overall well-being. Seek social support. Explanation: connect with colleagues, friends, or mentors for emotional support and perspective. Practice: share concerns or challenges with trusted individuals. Engage in positive interactions during breaks or social events to foster a supportive work environment. Maintain a healthy lifestyle. Explanation: support your body's ability to cope with stress by prioritizing nutrition, hydration, and adequate sleep. Practice: eat balanced meals, stay hydrated throughout the day, and aim for regular exercise. Avoid excessive caffeine or alcohol consumption, which can exacerbate stress. Set realistic expectations. Explanation: manage perfectionism by setting achievable goals and recognizing limitations. Practice: communicate openly with supervisors or team members about workload and deadlines. Delegate tasks when possible and learn to say no to additional responsibilities when necessary. Take breaks and disconnect. Explanation: allow yourself time to recharge and disconnect from work-related tasks. Practice. Take short breaks during the workday to stretch, walk, or engage in activities you enjoy. Create boundaries by turning off work notifications outside of designated work hours to maintain work life balance. By integrating these strategies into your routine, you can effectively manage stress in a high pressure work environment, promoting resilience, well being, and sustained productivity. Discuss the main personality traits and how they can impact an individual's behavior and interactions with others. Personality traits are enduring patterns of thoughts, feelings, and behaviors that characterize an individual's unique way of approaching and interacting with the world. These traits play a significant role in shaping how individuals perceive situations, respond to challenges, and interact with others. Here are some main personality traits and their impacts on behavior and interactions. Openness to experience, impact. Individuals high in openness tend to be imaginative, curious, and open minded. They often enjoy new ideas, seek novel experiences, and are willing to consider unconventional perspectives. Behavior. They may actively seek out diverse activities and viewpoints, engage in creative endeavors, and adapt more readily to change. Interaction. In social situations, they may contribute fresh insights and ideas, appreciate different cultures or beliefs, and enjoy intellectual discussions. Conscientiousness, impact. Conscientious individuals are organized, responsible, and self disciplined. They prioritize achievement, set high standards for themselves, and are diligent in their work. Behavior. They are likely to plan ahead, focus on details, and strive for accuracy and efficiency in their tasks. Interaction. They tend to be reliable and dependable team members, follow through on commitments, and contribute to group success through their conscientious approach. Extroversion, impact. Extrovert individuals are outgoing, sociable, and energized by social interactions. They tend to seek stimulation from the external environment and enjoy being around people. Behavior. They often take initiative in social settings, enjoy being the center of attention, and thrive in environments with frequent interaction and stimulation. Interaction. They are likely to initiate conversations, build wide networks of acquaintances, and contribute to team morale through their enthusiasm and sociability. Agreeableness, impact. Agreeable individuals are compassionate, cooperative, and empathetic. They value harmony in relationships, are considerate of others' feelings, and prioritize interpersonal relationships. Behavior. They tend to be trusting, supportive of others, and willing to compromise to maintain peace and cooperation. Interaction. They contribute to positive group dynamics, resolve conflicts diplomatically, and foster a supportive atmosphere through their kindness and empathy. Neuroticism, emotional stability. Impact. Individuals high in neuroticism are more prone to experiencing negative emotions such as anxiety, insecurity, and mood swings. Those low in neuroticism are more emotionally stable, resilient, and able to cope with stress. Behavior. Neurotic individuals may exhibit heightened emotional reactions to challenges, perceive threats more readily, and experience greater fluctuations in mood. Interaction. Emotional stability promotes consistent emotional responses, clearer communication, and better handling of stressful situations, contributing to more stable and effective interpersonal interactions. These traits interact in complex ways to influence how individuals perceive, respond to, and interact with their environment and others. Understanding these traits can enhance self-awareness, improve communication, and facilitate more effective teamwork and collaboration in various personal and professional settings.